Hey guys, welcome to another 5 Minute Friday, this time featuring Tiny. Today we're brought to you by our friends over at Dress Up Bolts. They were kind enough to send us over a pack of their entire Q60 engine bay dress up kit. So we're gonna dive in and take a look at these. So like I said in the beginning, guys, our friends over at Dress Up Bolts went ahead and supplied this for us for our beautiful Q60 build. A neat piece that they included with this kit is an actual super nice instruction sheet. And this will go over everything that's included in the kit as far as how many you're supposed to receive, and then also exact locations where everything is in the car. And it's all labeled in the baggies as well, so it's a pretty straightforward and easy install to follow. Super intuitive. Also lets you know exactly what tools you're gonna need to get the job done. If you guys wanna spice up your build a little bit too, Dress Up Bolts was kind enough to send us this sample set so you guys can kind of get a look at what each different color option looks like. You can order this kit in any of the colors seen here. If you guys want to get your own set of these Dress Up Bolts, go ahead and click the link down in the description, give us a call, or visit our website at www.maperformance.com. If you like our content, be sure to let us know. If you weren't such a fan of this episode, also let us know. If you want to see me in more 5 Minute Fridays, for sure let us know. And catch us next time. Peace.